How to delete Farlight 84 game account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are looking to delete the Farlight 84 game, or if you are finished playing the game and want to remove it, then firstly open up the Farlight 84 game on your Android or iOS device and make sure the game loads. Once it does, tap on the gear button at the top left corner, and from this page select Game from the bottom. And now click on Service at the top right and click on Account Management. Once you're inside this pop-up menu where it says User Center, click on Delete Account. Now it will take you to this Support tab where you can click on Account Center and now click on Delete Account. Now go through the information first. Remember that once you proceed and delete your account, the account cannot be recovered, so make sure to proceed with caution. Deleting your account means you'll also forfeit the following assets and privileges displayed on the screen. Finally, click on Next page, go through the info again, and finally click on I have read and confirmed the above information on the next page, and click on Delete. Soon after you do that, your account deletion request will be submitted. Your account is pending deletion and is now in 15-day cooling off period. During this time, you can also cancel the account deletion by logging into the game and following the prompts. So that is how you can easily delete your Farlight 84 game in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.